Welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we are counting down the top 5 washer-dryer combos. From smart innovations to powerful performance, these machines are designed to make laundry faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's get started. Number 5. Roborock Zeo X. Known primarily for its robotic vacuums, Roborock surprised everyone with the Zeo X washer-dryer combo. This sleek machine uses Zeo drying technology, which harnesses zeolite minerals to absorb moisture efficiently. It also includes smart AI features to adjust wash cycles based on fabric type. Compact and futuristic, it's a bold step for Roborock into the laundry world. Number 4. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry. Samsung's Bespoke AI laundry machine takes customization to the next level. With AI-powered cycle optimization, it learns your laundry habits and suggests the best wash and dry settings automatically. The Bespoke design lets you choose from multiple colors to match your home style, and with app control, you can manage laundry from anywhere. It's both stylish and intelligent. Number 3. LG WM6998. LG continues to innovate with the WM6998. This all-in-one unit offers Turbo Wash 360-degree cleaning for faster washing and AI fabric care that adjusts drum motions to protect your clothes. What stands out is LG's heat pump dryer system, which reduces energy use without sacrificing performance. Add in smart home integration with ThinQ, and you've got one of the most efficient combos available. Number 2. Whirlpool Sanicare. Whirlpool's Sanicare model is designed with health and hygiene in mind. It features a 360-degree hygiene cycle that eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and allergens while keeping fabrics fresh. Whirlpool has also included eco-friendly modes for water and energy savings. Its modern controls and intuitive interface make it user-friendly, and it's perfect for families who prioritize both cleanliness and convenience. Number 1. E-Profile UltraFast Combo. This machine delivers a full wash and dry cycle in about 2 hours. It uses advanced ventless heat pump technology, making it efficient and installation-friendly. With smart HQ connectivity, you can control it with your phone or even voice assistants. Its combination of speed, smart features, and fabric care makes it the ultimate washer-dryer combo of 2025. And that wraps up our countdown of the 5 best washer-dryer combos. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews here on Best Reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.